Sitting here installing this regulator adapter to the carburetor for my Onan, and I've run into problem number one. I mean, before I've even done anything, this block, nicely machined, looks really nice. First things first, this comes loose. Figured for sure if you're sending that out from a company, you'd want to Teflon paste that and run it in snug so that it seals, but I'm capable of doing that. They send some PTFE in the kit, but I take off the air filter plate for the carburetor, and this is what I run into. I've got three holes. They match, they line up, great, fantastic. Here's the problem. This is the front of the carburetor, facing this direction, out towards us. So, I'm thinking, well, more than likely, judging off of what we've got going on, that direction right there should give me ample space to put the hose out. Look at this. Holes don't line up. If I do line the holes up, see that there? If I line the holes up, look what I run into. I'm going to adjust it here. It's right in the way of the ear. This kit was specifically made for the motor that I've got on that Onan. So it's right in the way of the ear for the air intake, which, you know, I'm a metal worker. I can probably make this happen. Do a little bit of grinding. But what a pain in the butt. Because I've got to rotate it back. Now it's pointing straight off the side of the carburetor, which means that I've got to change the angle of the hose, possibly even get a longer hose to get it over to the regulator. So my other options are point it towards the exhaust pipe. I don't want to do that really, but if I do that, this will point it directly out the front, kind of. See, there's the front, but look again, runs right into the same problem. Now, even if, let's see this here, even if I was able to, say, run it directly out the side like that, here's the other problem. See that gap? See that it's hitting? There, push it down. There. There. Now, look at that gap. And it's hitting. I gotta notch it out anyway. Ah. That's what happens when you get a kit that they say is designed for your application. But these are older motors, and they're genuinely keeping up better with the newer ones that come out on the market, and they work better for those. Looks like I've got to do some modifying. Thinking I'm gonna probably go ahead and poke it out the front, which should be all right. It'll be something like that. But I'm gonna have to do some cutting. I don't want to have to take this down and have it machined so that I've got new holes down through the block so that I can get it to come out where I want it to. I'm gonna have to deal with what I've got here, but as you can see, that with those holes lined up, that hits squarely on that ear, and I'm gonna have to cut that all the way back up inside of there. Nice job, guys.